first thing to do is use a VPN. I recommend Proton VPN or Turbo VPN. Please, ensure that you select United States, else it's not going to work. Guys, create a new Shein account. This is so important. Ensure that you set the location to the US. Since it's only for new users, you need to create a new Shein account. But before you do that, make sure that you sign up with a new Google account or a phone number that you haven't used on Shein before. Okay, now time to fill in the information. As I stated before, use a new email address or a phone number that you haven't used on Shein before. Before you do anything else, ensure that you add a shipping address in the address book to save time. Now you want to add items to your cart so you can see things that you want to pop up in the allowance. Okay, so for example, now I'm going to add this electric dental floss to my cart. So here are the codes. You can just screenshot this and add one of the code to the search bar. So now what you want to do is type the code into the search bar. Okay, so now you will see this pop up. So just select get my free gifts now. Time to select the items. Now select the items that you want. You can either select the more expensive stuff or select the cheaper items that add up to $50. I'm selecting the more expensive items first, as you can see. Guys, please choose wisely, my beg you. If you notice, the item that I added to my cart earlier popped up back here. That's why I advise you guys to add items to your cart first before entering. Now I'm just selecting this mini flat iron, as you can see. Now I have $14 left, so I'm selecting this cute $7.20 sandals. That's cute, not true. Cute, no brute. Okay, so now I'm just selecting randomly. Now I'm selecting this copper tube design bracelet, as you can see, and these random beaded elastic bracelets. Guys, this is not totally free. It's like a pay a little thing, but not for the things that is selected for the allowance. Those are completely free, but you just have to select one item for $10. I mean, it don't have to exactly be $10, but yeah. Guys, as I said before, don't waste your time and then put in your address afterwards. Make sure you want to put in on a shipping address before you enter the game. So yeah, so don't waste no more time, because remember say this thing time, so you don't want time run out by you. Okay, so now time to pay for the item for $11.53. It was initially $10.89, but no tax, so you add up to that. So you just select your payment method and you that. Guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please subscribe, my beg you. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. I really hope you guys found this helpful.